Hello viewers, welcome to my channel. Today I am gonna show you how to disable Windows 10 updates permanently. One thing before starting, if you are visiting the channel for the first time, please subscribe the channel and press the bell icon for more updates. So let's begin. At first I will open services from the start menu. Okay, services. Then I will open it. After that I will press on any service and then press W and go to Windows Update. Here I will press that. After that I will enable that startup type to disabled. I will press apply and after that I will go to recovery menu and here reset fail count after 1 day. I will reset it to 0 days. 0. Restart service after 1 minute. I will reset it to 0 days, 0 minutes. Apply. Then I will go again to general. If the service is running, I will stop it. But my service is not running, so I will leave it. Okay. After that, I will press B, and then I will go background intelligent transfer service. Okay. After that, I will change startup type manual to disabled. Apply. Okay. Our work is done for services. Then it's time for meter the network connection. Okay. I will go to settings. After that I will go to network internet. After that, if I am using broadband connection, then I will go for Ethernet. If I am using Wi-Fi, then I will go for Wi-Fi. If you are using broadband or Ethernet connection, then go to Ethernet and there you will see your network. After that you will press that. Then here you will set as meter connection on. Because I am using Wi-Fi, I will go for my Wi-Fi. After that I will press my network and I will go down. Here I will meter the connection on. Okay, so our settings work is done. After that it is time for registry tricks. Here I will press I will type REGEDIT. Then I will open that. Yes. Then I will go for local machine. Then I will go for software. After that I will go for policies and here Microsoft. Okay. There is nothing like Windows Update key here, so I will make a key named Windows Update. So press on that Microsoft and press the right click and there new key. Okay, I will name it Windows Update. Windows UPDATE. Here no space and W and U are in capital letter. Okay, I will press enter. After that I will enable another key. Here I will press right click on Windows Update, then new key. Okay, I will name it AU, capital AU, and I will press enter. After that I will set the value. So pressing that AU, I will press here right click new DWORD 32-bit value. Okay, yeah, new value. Okay, press enter. or right click, left click. Then I will press that value data is 0, I will reset it to 2. Okay,
so our registry tweaks is done.
then for the next step is group policy editor. So I will go to group policy editor here, GROUP, here there edit group policy here. Okay, after that I will resize it, okay, for better administrative templates. After that, Windows components, here I will search for Windows Update. Here Windows Update, okay, I will press that here. Then here configure automatic updates, here I will press that for double time.
Left click.
Okay, configure automatic updates here. So I will press that. It is showing not configured, so I will disable it here, disabled, apply. Okay, so I have disabled the automatic updates. Okay, then for that
Task scheduler step.
so I will go for task scheduler. Here I will write task scheduler, here scheduler. Okay, task scheduler is opening. Yeah, is here task scheduler library. Okay, and then go for Microsoft, then go for Windows, and I'll go down Windows Update. I will disable all the schedulers. Okay, if you are seeing more steps than me, more scheduler than me, you will disable all the schedulers. So I will disable one by one. Here disable, here disable, here disable, here disabled. All scheduler I mentioned, all scheduler have to be disabled. If you have more scheduler than me, disable all this. Okay, so our work is done. I think this step's gonna work. If you face any difficulties, please let me know in the comment section. I will try to solve the problem as soon as possible. If you find my video helpful, please like the video and don't forget to subscribe for more updates. So it's for now today. Bye bye.